Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another skincare product which name is Numbuzin No.5 Vitamin Concentrated Serum. This is targeted for blemish and spot, hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, dull skin. With the regular use of this serum bring improvement in pigmentation and blemishes. Improves skin tone, improves skin brightness, improve melanin in the skin which is the cause of darkness, and fade away dark spots and leave the skin clear and bright. This is cruelty-free and formulated free of essential oil, mineral oil, artificial fragrance, and drying alcohol. The lightweight serum absorbs quickly into the skin and leaves it supple and glowing, suitable for all skin types. This serum comes with a safety seal on the box and a packaged dropper. The liquid has no scent and is a milky color. It spread easily on face and didn't make it greasy, oily, or shiny. This serum is the collection of brightening ingredients includes glutathione, alpha-lipoic acid, vitamin C, niacinamide, tranexamic acid, alpha-arbutin, and bisabolol, which help fade away dark spots and leave the skin clear and bright. This serum contains bilberry extract, vitamin E, and coenzyme Q10. These ingredients add antioxidant effects and protect the skin barrier. It have panthenol, beta-glucan, and hyaluronic, which soothe and keep the skin hydrated. How to apply? Use this serum after cleansing and toning. Apply an adequate amount to the skin and gently pat it to allow absorption. Apply an additional drop to any areas of concern. Thanks for watching.